Famous Dharmaraya Temple where family road, and see the buildings, man. For this one, this is called Groomet. It's a beautiful parking space at full spot at Freedom Park where you can welcome to my new vlog. So we have come to KR Market today. So the evening, it's evening 11:40 here now. So we are searching for this one. This is called Groomet. It's a small ring which has to be attached to the net for the shade net. We are planning for shade net here, and these are the shops here at KR Market. And this particular road, if you see, vans and autos cannot come. So that's the reason we thought that we will come through this way. And if you see, only people, public can walk around it. Want any affordable items for gardening and anything related for home decoration, electronics, furniture and everything. You get everything at KR Market here. Instead of getting online, this would be a better option. Hospital Road, and this is parallel to SP Road. So we have to take right to go to the SP Road, and in this Hospital Road there are a lot of constructions going on here. There is this cute dog we found now. It looks like there is this. Enna construction by the what is that? KR Market. See the buildings. See the buildings here at KR Market. It's all like big. Famous Dharmaraya Temple where famous Karaga happens. Road, and see the buildings, man. See how tall the buildings are. And you don't have a space here, all vertical. Famous for all the books and everything, you can get it from here. Stores where I got all my college books here. I think you have to go to the first floor there. And if you see again, there are a lot of books, shops, and then ornaments, artificial jewelries. At Kumbarpet you will get kites, balloons and all this party stuffs, festival stuffs and all that. See, the Rakhi is here. See, you get all jewelry items and all that. And beads. So this is the shop you can get. And the silver items, beads, cotton, woolen, Lakshmi Puja, these items, silver items, and fashion jewelry. So Avenue Market, Avenue Road, Raja Market it is. These are the other jewelry shops, jewelry boutique shops and all that. So we got some punch, you know. So this is the one we got. This is from Raja Market and this is from SP Road. So these are the two things we got for the shade net. So we are still searching for different kind of punching machines, different size and all that. We are unable to get in the Raja Market, so we are planning to go to Mamul. We are going to Gandhinagar now to have something at beautiful parking space at near Freedom Park. You see everything. You can park a lot of cars here instead of searching around at KR Market and Avenue Road and all that. So this is a beautiful spot at Freedom Park where you can stop here and then go by auto for another 2 kilometers or so. So we are starting now home, and we are also planning to have somewhere nearby, and then we are planning to go home now. start home now. So thank you for watching. Hope you like my vlog for today on Market and all that, and how it looks, and all that on the busy day, especially on the Saturday. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.